Look at this 4-wheel drive robot car. It can be controlled with a remote, operated through a mobile app, and it can even follow you. But that's not all. It has many more smart features to explore. In this video, I am going to assemble this robot from the very beginning, program it, connect it with the app, and test what this ACEBOTT smart car is really capable of. So let's start building. This is the ACEBOTT QD001 ESP32 Smart Car Robotics Starter Kit. The kit uses an ESP32 controller board and supports different programming methods including Hcode, Arduino, and Python. Inside the box, first we have the instruction manual. The manual provides a complete step-by-step assembly guide, which makes the building process easier. Now let's check all the components included in this kit. Here we have the upper and lower acrylic chassis. These are 4 Mecanum wheels. Because of this special wheel design, the robot can move in different directions, including sideways movement. Here are 4 TT DC geared motors. These motors provide the movement power of the robot. This is the ESP32 controller board, which is the brain of the robot. And this is the ESP32 car shield that connects different modules together. We also get LED modules, buzzer module, IR receiver module, ultrasonic sensor, and trace sensor. For additional control, there is an IR remote. We also have an SG90 servo motor with horns, a battery holder for 18650 batteries, ultrasonic bracket, hookup wires, USB cable, cable ties, and all the necessary screws, nuts, couplers, and motor brackets. They also included black tape for making the line tracking path. Everything needed to build the robot is included. Now I will start assembling the robot. Before starting, I removed the protective film from the acrylic chassis. The manual already explains the complete assembly process very clearly. So I'll show the main assembly flow instead of going through every single screw. First, I install the trace sensor on the bottom chassis. Then install the copper pillars. After that, I installed the 4 motors. Next, I mounted the ESP32 controller board and car shield. Then I install the blue LED modules, buzzer, and IR receiver. After that, I install the servo motor and ultrasonic sensor. Then I install the battery holder. Finally, I connected the top and bottom chassis and installed the Mecanum wheels. The mechanical assembly is complete. Now we need to connect all the modules. The wiring diagram is provided in the manual, so I followed the official connection guide from ACEBOTT. Make sure to connect each module correctly before powering the robot. Now it's time to give power to the robot. I installed two 18650 batteries into the battery holder. Then I connected the robot to my computer using the USB cable. Now we can upload the program and start testing. To download the required program, we can visit the ACEBOTT website. In the tutorial section, we can find the QD001 V2 tutorial package. While the files are downloading, you can also see ACEBOTT has different product series including Explorer series, Educational series, and Inventor series. After downloading, I extract the zip folder. The tutorials are available in different languages and I selected English. There are different learning methods available. I selected the Arduino Experience tutorial. ACEBOTT also provides detailed tutorial to help beginners to understand the building and programming process step by step. The programming guide is explained very clearly. Before uploading the code, we need to complete some setup steps. First, we add the ESP32 board manager URL in the Arduino IDE preferences. Then install the ESP32 board packages. After that, we install the required libraries provided by ACEBOTT. Now we can select the correct board and port and the final robot program. After uploading the final code, let's test the robot. First, download the ACEBOTT app from the App Store. This app supports their different robotics kits. Now connect the phone Wi-Fi with the ESP32 car. After connecting successfully, open the Smart Car section in the app. Now we can access different functions of the robot. First, let's test the blue LED lights. The robot also has a buzzer module. We can play different sounds. Now let's try some smart modes. The first smart function is line tracking. The robot uses the trace sensor to detect the black line and automatically follows the path. Next, we have obstacle avoidance. Using the ultrasonic sensor, the robot can detect objects in front and change its direction automatically. Another interesting function is follow mode. The robot can detect movement and follow the object in front of it. Besides these automatic functions, this robot can also be controlled in different ways. We can control it using the IR remote. We can also control it through web control. And the ACEBOTT apps gives us another easy way to operate the robot. The combination of different control methods make this robot a great platform for learning robotics. One more thing I want to mention is that this robot is expandable. ACEBOTT provides different expansion packs that allow us to add more functions to the same robot platform. And this is not the end of this project. I'll test one of the most interesting expansion packs, the AI Vision camera. With this upgrade, we can explore smart vision features and make this robot even more intelligent. Thanks to ACEBOTT for sending me this kit. If you enjoy this project, subscribe and follow me for the next video.